Hey, it's Kate with WTI. I'm always looking for ways to incorporate healthy fats into my diet, and I especially love to do that with whole foods like raw nuts, but it can be really surprisingly difficult to find nuts that are not roasted or salted or processed like that. So I really am super excited to have this bag of whole almonds by Happy Belly from Amazon. It's a 3-pound bag, so this is awesome for stocking up my pantry. I love raw whole almonds. They're just fantastic by themselves as a snack, a little pick-me-up midday, but they're also great to cook with, to bake with, dice them up and put them on a salad. I like to put them in my yogurt in the morning with some frozen fruit for a little bit of a crunch. So I really appreciate being able to find almonds that are just almonds, nothing else added, no process or anything like that. And this 3-pound bag from Happy Belly is a great way for me to be able to stock up on those. So if you are looking for a fantastic snack that is whole food and just super simple and literally one ingredient, then I highly recommend checking out these whole almonds by Happy Belly. But that's just my point of view.